Hi lovelies, so today I'm going to show you how to nicely prepare your tomatoes powder. So stay tuned and let's watch this video together. So to begin, I'm going to be mixing this together. So I'm having some fresh tomatoes. Okay guys, so they are already washed, cleaned, and here is my paprika, sweet long pepper. Okay guys, I'm going to be mixing both together, and this is already cleaned. So I'm gonna cut this part away. So right now I'm gonna dehydrate this in my oven. So now I'm gonna set it out to dehydrate in my oven. So here are all the tomatoes. So I'm gonna put it inside my oven. Stay tuned. So guys, at this stage, this is the outcome. The way it's looking is already dehydrated, and you can see. Guys, this is my first time of trying this recipe, like, believe me. Okay guys, so and you can use as many tomatoes as you want. I come across this video and I found it interesting, so I decided to give it a try. And yeah, the outcome is something that really worth it. So I urge you to try it, and come and give me feedback at the comment section down below. So if you watch this video to this extent, thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, hi, let's be friends. Click that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I upload videos on weekly basis. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always tuning in to my channel. I so much appreciate each and every one of you. Okay guys, continue watching and tell me what you think. Are you going to try this out? Will you love to try it out? Is it worth to try out? Yeah, and I will advise this recipe is meant for especially we that are in diaspora. If you want to carry fresh tomatoes, you can easily prepare it like this, enable you to travel with it, and it stays long. You are good to go. The outcome is not bad at all. And yeah, this is the outcome. So lovely, nicely prepared. Okay, my lovelies, I believe I've come to the end of this video. See you guys in my next upcoming video. As of now, I am out. Bye.